we've got our story so on ChatGPT. So if you want to copy the story and edit where you need to edit, you can just do that. But for the sake of these tutorials, I'm not going to do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to copy the first prompt. I'm gonna copy this prompt and I'm gonna go to Leonardo. So this is where I'm going to add the prompt. So I'm using Leonardo Phoenix 1.1. So I'm gonna paste it here and then generate. So another thing that you need to do before you go ahead is make sure that you put it on 16.9. I forgot to do that. I've left it on 2.3, but it's okay. But you need to make sure that you put all the dimensions on the right, depending on what the video is for. For YouTube, you need to put this one. So this is actually suitable for the short YouTube short or TikTok videos. So what we're gonna do now is to download the image. So we need to download the image and then we go back again to our story on ChatGPT to copy the second prompt in order for us to get the consistent images. So what I'm gonna do right now is to come here to we need to copy the seed so that we can get the very same future of the little girl. So we need the consistency. So we're gonna come here to use fixed seed. So you need to put it on because normally you'll find it like this. So you need to put it on and then you add the number. So I'm gonna just put the number there. Right, and then I'm gonna go ahead with this prompt. All right, so now you need to download. So we're gonna download this image and also this one. Let's just download it here and then we can go back and then we can download this one. And then let's see, this one, the hair looks somehow. Oh my god. And we can also download this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to make sure that we animate the images so that we can have the movement on our video. So the next step is to visit this website called Video 2.0. What we're gonna do now is to upload. So we're gonna upload the images from Leonardo to, and so we're gonna start with this one. So we're gonna open and then we're gonna wait for some few seconds. Okay, so we're gonna need to bring it here to create. So it's gonna take 4 credits, so I'm only left with 40 for the whole month. So we're gonna create, click create there. So it's on the queue. For if you need the faster one, you need to be on a pay subscription. You need to subscribe to the pay version, then everything will be fast. All right, so what we're gonna do now, so we can just check it out. Okay, so that's great. All right, so I'm going to show you more of the one that I was just creating before. So this is the other one, so we can just go through them and see how it goes. So this is cute, and then even this one you can see the motion. All right, let's just check this one. Okay, when you are done, you just need to come here, you download, then it's gonna go to your device. Okay, so the next step is to enhance the the video. What we're gonna do is to go to this website. Unfortunately it's not for free. You only get a 3 days try free. So after 3 days you're gonna need to pay. So what you need to do is to come here, create new, and then we're going to add the video that we got from the previous website. So we're gonna take this one and then we bring it to the website. Okay, so let's just you can just compare them. They look totally different. This one, the quality is very good. All right, it's uploading, so it's gonna take some few seconds. All right, then you come here to download it. Okay, so the next step is to go back to our story on ChatGPT so that we can get the narration script. So we're gonna go with the first one so that we can get our story in order. So we're gonna take the first one. Today we're going to use a Clipchamp for our voiceover. Okay, then we are in Clipchamp. Then you're gonna come here to text to speech, try it, click on that, try it, and then you're gonna scroll down to text to speech. Okay, so this is the text box where you're going to put your voiceover. So I'm gonna just put this one here, and then I'm going back again to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to copy the second one, and I'm going back to a Clipchamp, and then I'm gonna paste it here and go back again. So you just repeat the process until you are done. Okay, then when you are done, you can just make sure that you choose the voiceover here. You can just choose the language. So there are a lot of languages: Africans in South Africa, Arabic, Algeria. So you just make sure that you choose whatever that you want to choose. Okay, so I'm gonna choose South African English, and then I'm gonna go with Leah.
Rises over the village. Amina opens her eyes.
All right, then the next step is to export. You're gonna export it with 720p. So it's gonna go to your computer after some few seconds. Okay, so now we have moved to another website where we'll be able to convert our video from MP4 to MP3. So all you need to do is to come here to choose a file, and then we're gonna choose the file that we created from the Clipchamp. So we're gonna choose this one and open, and then we come here to convert. So it's gonna just take some few seconds, and then after that you come here to download when it's ready. Okay, it's finished now. It's converting, so it's gonna just take like some few seconds again. Okay, so it's done. When it's done, you can just come here to download, so it's gonna be available on your device. Okay, so now it's about editing. So we need to bring all of the items that we were producing from the other website to Canva. So we're gonna start by bringing the audio here. So I'm gonna just put it. So this one is Amari's story. So I'm gonna just add the pages here so that I can put all the necessary pay in a video on each according to the story. So I'm gonna go to the videos, and then I'm gonna just grab this one, and then I'm gonna just set it as a video background. So must just check. And then this one.
As the golden sun rises over the village, Amina opens her eyes. A brand new day begins. Amina quickly gets stressed. Today is a big day. There is water to fetch, firewood to gather, and so much more to.
Alright, then after that, you can continue to add your video according to the speech, the voiceover. The last part, you're gonna need to apply the transition, so you just need to click on this, and then you just select the one that you desire. So I'm gonna just choose the cycle wipe, and then I will choose the direction of out, and then I'm gonna apply between all the pages. So that's how it's been done. So, and then after you're done with your video, everything is up to date, you can just come here to share, and then you download your video, download, and then your video is ready to be uploaded on your YouTube channel. Oh, I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials for today. Up until next time, bye bye.
As the golden sun rises over the village, Amina opens her eyes. A brand new day begins. Amina quickly gets dressed. Today is a big day. There is water to fetch, firewood to gather, and so much more to do. Step by step, Amina walks to the river. She fills her pot with fresh, cool water. The birds sing, and the morning air feels crisp and new. Next, Amina gathers firewood. The grass tickles her feet as she walks, and the wildflowers dance in the wind. Amina carefully stirs the warm porridge. The fire crackles, and the village is full of life. Soon, breakfast will be ready. Breakfast is always better when shared. Amina and her brother enjoy their meal, smiling and laughing together. With breakfast done, it's time to play. Amina runs, kicks, and laughs with her friends under the bright African sun.